Hello, my name is Edison Duan Bello Antolines. I'm 21 years old. I am from Yutama, Colombia. I live with my girlfriend and my son in Yutama. I am operator in Fases Aga of Colombia, and I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite TV show is comedy movies, and my favorite sport is soccer. Talking about daily routine. Activities in the morning. In the morning, I wake up at 5 o'clock. I get up, take a shower, I get dressed. Breakfast, and I brush my teeth. I go to work. I start to work at 7 o'clock to my work activities. Activities in the afternoon. In the afternoon, I lunch, and I brush my teeth. Break 1 hour. Then I start with more work activities until 6 o'clock. I finish my work and I go to my house. Activities in the night. At night I come home to study for a couple of hours. Then I have dinner and I brush my teeth. I studied 1 more hour and I go to sleep. Thank you.